What's up, guys? It's Jason with Smokin Buddha coming to you from our kitchen. I don't think I've showed you this yet. I think I've took some pictures, but I've never really walked around with you. It is, what, Thursday night, about to start storming. Quick update, we just got an email from the Terabella Institute. We were supposed to be at Terabella yesterday for their big Christmas thing. They are postponing that for Monday next week. So Monday the 4th, same time, 6 to 9. I believe all the food trucks that were supposed to be out there are going to be out there. Rustic Press, us, Simplice. I think there's a sipping station. Oh yeah, Cajun style, I believe, and then a bunch of other vendors and stuff. So hopefully everybody can make it. I know it's a school night, but it's better than the rain night, because I've done it when it's rain, nobody comes, it's better. And of course, barbecue, we're a little different. Everything I cook is done before I get there, because everything takes 12 to 15 hours. So if I don't sell it that night, I don't sell it, I'm out. Everybody else can kind of cook as they go. It doesn't work out for us that well. Anyway, just more of a risk for that thing. So right now, while it's going to start raining, we're just making some sauces, we're making some rub, getting everything ready for the weekend. We still have, as far as I know, the Munchkin Market in Madisonville on Sunday, 1 to 6. That is also going to be in line with the Madisonville Christmas Parade, which is, I believe, starts at 2:30, and goes till about, I don't know, an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. But it starts and stops at the park in Madisonville. I believe it's on Pine Street, right across from the river. Santa's going to be there, I believe, from 4 to 6, taking pictures and all that good stuff. So y'all come out there for that, and then Monday will be at Terabella Auto Auction on Tuesday in Hammond. Kind of a closed thing, but we've been doing that for 2 years now, and it's always been pretty good for us. So that's it, guys. Let me turn you around. I'm going to take you just to kind of show you what we got going on. All right, what we got? We got some barbecue sauce on the stove. Starting to get going right now. It's a batch. It'll make about 4 or 5 gallons. Put some in sauce too, or in jars. And this is a habanero peach sauce, which is excellent. We're actually making a special batch for this because we got some friends that were coming from Alabama for the Terabella thing specifically for that. So we're going to be getting that together for them. Got a little range hood, got some stainless steel tables, deep freeze. We got a 3-bay, 4-bay sink, 3-bay hand wash, a couple of stainless steel tables, about to throw down some rub, my little seasoning cart right there, bathroom right there, fridge and freezers. Thank you to Any Occasion for getting rid of their awesome fridge that is still kicking butt for us. We really appreciate that. So that's the kitchen, guys. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna let me go, finish making the sauce, jarring that stuff up, and making the rub for the rest of the week. Sorry if the kitchen isn't immaculate. I work here, so we're using it constantly, 3-4 days a week. It's never gonna be spotless. That's not how kitchens are. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Bye.